Welcome dear students. So last class we learnt about I would like to be. Okay. So now I will ask some questions to you. Do you know any great man's name who fought against Britishers to save our country? माने तमे एमिति किछि लोक मानक विषय रे बा एमिति किछि लोक मानक ना जानिचो कि जे कि कोन करथिले हमरो देश को रक्षा करबा पई इंग्रेज मानक सहित लढिथिले तो से मानक हमें साधारणतः कोन कहबा ए पर्सन हु फॉट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स टू मेक आवर कंट्री इंडिपेंडेंट इज कॉल्ड फ्रीडम फाइटर. ओके, so do you know any freedom fighters name? The freedom fighters are like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, okay, Tilak Majhi, Birsa Munda, and there are a lot of freedom fighters in our country. Okay, so today we will know about a great freedom fighter. His name is Birsa Munda. Okay, so who is he? He is Birsa Munda. He is Birsa Munda. He also fought against the Britishers to save our country. His father's name is Sugana Munda and his mother's name is Karmi Hatu. Okay, his birthplace is in Bihar and now it is in Jharkhand. In the year 1875, Birsa was born. Which year Birsa was born? Birsa was born in the year 1875 and death in the year 1900. Okay, so let's see the passage. SGP 1. Birsa Munda was born in a poor family in Bihar, now in Jharkhand, in 1875. His father Sugana Munda worked as a laborer. For a short time, Birsa studied in a school at Katanga, but he could not continue his study because of poverty. From the very young age, he worked as a cowboy of a landlord. One day, the landlord saw Birsa reading a book, leaving the cows to graze on a paddy field. So, he removed Birsa from the job. So, in this paragraph, here describe that about Birsa's birthplace and in which year Birsa was born. So, as here described, Birsa was born in a poor family. Birsa's family was very poor and it was in Bihar, but now it is in Jharkhand. In the year 1875, Birsa was born in a poor family and his father was a laborer. Okay. He started his schooling at Katanga. You are learning in school as SSBM, JK or other schools like that. Birsa started his schooling at Katanga. His father was very poor, so for his poverty, Birsa could not continue his study. Okay, so let's see the topic. Birsa Munda was born in a poor family in Bihar. As I said that Birsa was very poor and his father was a laborer. Okay. For a short time, Birsa studied in a school at Katanga. For a short period of time. Birsa studied at a school named Katanga. But he could not continue his study because of poverty. Though कंटिन्यू करि पारि नथिले। From the very young age, he worked as a cowboy of a landlord. From the very young age, माने छोट बेलरू ही से कोन कले ना गोटे लैंडलॉर्ड पाखरे बा गोटे जमीदार पाखरे से जने काउबॉय, काउबॉय माने कोन, काउबॉय माने गाई जगुआळ। ओके, one day the landlord saw Birsha reading a book, leaving the cows to graze on paddy field. What happened? As you know, Birsha was very fond of studies. He liked to read books. So, for his poverty, he could not continue his study. But he wants to study. He wanted to read the books. He liked studies. He liked the books. Okay. So what happened? One day, when he was a cowboy, Birsha was reading a book. Okay, so the cows went to the paddy field and Birsha was reading a book continuously. He could not see the cows. Birsha कौन करथिले ना से तको बही पढि पारे ही व्यस्त थिले। से केबे भी माने गाई जो दिने कोन माने गोटे दिन से सब दिन तको काम ठीक करथिले, किंतु गोटे दिन कोन हेछि ना से गाई मानन को छाडी नै चंती, गाई माने जाय चंती धान बिल रे चरुचंती, से बसिकिना गोटे बही पढुथिले। ठीक अछि, जेतेबेले बही पढुचंती देखिले बेले को तांकर जो लैंडलॉर्ड अच्छे से रागी गले, रागी जबे ना से गोटे धान बिल रे जाई छाडी दैचंती, सेथिबा रागी गले। His landlord or his master was very angry, so he removed Birsha from his job. The landlord or his master removed Birsha from his job. So it is the paragraph or SGP 1. Here are the difficult words. Okay.
Birsha Munda. So now we are going to know about the SGP1 comprehension questions and answers. So what was the first question? What is this para about? So the answer is the para is about the birth and younger days of Birsha Munda, the great tribal hero. Where was Birsha born? When? Birsha was born in 1875 in a poor family in Bihar. At present, his birthplace is in Jharkhand. Now, when Birsha was born, the place was called Bihar and now it is called Jharkhand. Okay. Next is, who was his father? His father was Sugana Munda. His father was Sugana Munda. What was his father? What was his father? His father was a laborer. His father was a... So, his father was a laborer. Okay. Where did Birsha begin his study? Birsha began his study in a school at Katanga. Birsha started his study at Katanga. Okay. The next is, did he continue his study? Why did Birsha continue his study? So, no. What is the answer? No, he did not continue his study because of his poverty. Because of Birsha's poverty, he could not or he did not continue his study. What work did Virsha do at a young age? At a young age, Virsha worked as a cowboy for a landlord. Okay. Did Virsha like the work? Did Virsha like the work as a cowboy? No, Virsha did not like the work. He liked reading. Virsha did not like the work cowboy. He was liked reading. Who was his master? Was he a good man? How do you know this? His master was a landlord. Who was his master? The question asked. The answer is his master was a landlord. Was he a good man? He questions again. No, he was not a good man. How do you know this? How do you know this? Virsha's master was not a good man. So the answer is because he removed Virsha from his job when he found him reading a book. So when the landlord found Virsha reading a book instead of watching the cows, he removed Virsha from his job. Why did the master get angry with Virsha? One day on work time, Virsha was reading a book, leaving the cows to graze on a paddy field. So the master got angry with Virsha. Okay, Virsha was not watching the cows. The cows were on the paddy field. So the master got angry with Virsha. Why did Virsha lost his job? Virsha lost his job because he didn't watch the cows of his master and they went on grazing on a paddy field. Who went grazing? The cows. Who does he in the last line refer to? In the last line, he refers to the landlord, Virsha's master. Which quality of Virsha do you like most? After discontinuing his study, he was reading a book that shows his interest in study. I liked most. So dear students, you know the question and answer and the topic. Okay.